Hello, I hope you're doing well today. Today I'm going to teach you how to make sentences better by using adjectives, which are words that describe a noun. So, this is a picture, and there are 4 sentences about the picture that we're going to edit together. So the first one says, there are dogs. This is true. I might note too, this has a capital letter and a period. That's what you want to look for also. Those are great things to keep. But also, so let's look back at this. There are dogs. How can we make that sentence a little bit more descriptive? What can we add to make it better? So, a noun is a person, place, or a thing. So the dogs would be a noun in this sentence. So how can we describe the dogs? You could say there are 2 dogs, right? Because there are 2 of them. You could say there are 2 dogs. Or you could say there, if we wanted to change that, we could say there are dogs. We keep 2. We could say there are 2 dogs sitting. And where are they sitting at? They're sitting on the sidewalk. Or you could say they're sitting in the city. So you can add an adjective to describe a noun. You can also add a place. This is the place, right? So they're sitting in the city. So that would be one way to make that first sentence better. Okay, this next one, let's look at this one. The dog is holding the leash. So remember, the nouns are the people, person, place, or a thing. So dog's a thing. Also, the leash is a thing. So how can we describe those 2 words? So let's think. The dog. Which dog is holding the leash? Is it the big one or the small one? Is it I think it's like a tan color. You could say the big tan dog is holding the leash. What color is the leash? Or what type of leash is it? You could say the big leash, the long leash, the black leash. I'm going to say you could say the small dog's leash. That could be something else. So I'm going to put the little dog's leash. This apostrophe right here, I put in there because remember, if it's describing, if it's saying it belongs to somebody, you're going to use an apostrophe. Oops, it's already in there. The big tan dog is holding the little dog's leash. Does that make sense? Yeah. And if you wanted to include a place, you could say holding the little dog's leash on the sidewalk. So that's a place you could add, but we don't have to put a place every time. Okay, they are happy. How could you make that better? Can you tell that they're happy? Well, they're not like mad, right? So they could be happy. So you could change the word happy if you wanted to. In this sentence, the noun, is they. So they means like the dogs, that's the thing. So they are happy. You could say they are really happy. I mean, they don't look really happy, but they look content, I guess you could say. You could change that word to content. Just erase happy if you wanted. You could say they look happy. Just another idea. This one's kind of interesting because you can change it in different ways, but you can make it better. So it might be a little bit harder to make it really good. You could also say they look, they are sitting very still. They are still. That's kind of a difficult one, but that we did change it. We made it a little bit better. Okay, the last one says it is fall, like the season of fall. So in that sentence, fall is the person, place, or thing. It's a thing. It is fall. Well, it would be describing it, so you can't really describe that very well. Anyway, so let's just see if we can add something to it. Could you say, instead of it, it's kind of, we don't really know what it's talking about. So we could just change that to the season is fall. And then how do you know that? If you look at the picture, what tells you that it's fall? I see the leaves on the ground, right? Does that kind of tell you that it's probably fall? So I'm going to put the season is fall. Or you could say, let's go back to the front. You could say, you can tell that the season is fall because there are leaves on the ground. So that made that sentence a lot better. You don't have to make them quite that long, but those are some ways you can make sentences better. So as you work on your own picture and sentences, I give you 4 sentences. You just need to change them to make them better. Try to be creative. You can make them longer. Remember to use capital letters and end marks like periods, exclamation points. I'm excited to see what you guys can do.